Hey guys, welcome back to another Swift programming logic tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be explaining how to sort a custom data type in Swift, or a custom object array. So I've already talked about the sort algorithm, which is inbuilt into Swift, and I'm just going to be showing you guys how to sort a custom array of objects, because when I talked about this, I showed how to sort a single array of objects which only had like one type, like int or string. But if you have a custom array, then you can't actually just sort it, because it doesn't know what key to use, how to sort it based on that key, and things like that. So what I'm going to do is show you guys how to do that. So I'm just going to create a struct up here. Now I'm sure it'll work if you also do it as a class, but I'm just going to use struct since it's simpler. So let's just create a struct called person, and I'm just going to have a name and an age. Okay, now let's go over here and go in here and let's create our people. So let person1 equals person, and then let's just have aria and then age 100. Let's create person2, person, and let's set their age to 200, and then let's just make a people array full of this, so person1 and person2. So there's our array, and let's say we want to sort it based on the age. So right now it's already sorted, so I'm just going to create a third person just so that we can put something in the middle. And let's just say we have this person as 150. So now if we were to print this list, I forgot to add the labels, and there. And now if we were to run this and just print it, we should just see that they're in this order, but they're not sorted like we want. So I'm going to show you guys how to implement a sorted function which will allow you to sort it based on a specific key. Okay, and you can see that it's aria, then person2, then person3, and we want it to be sorted in terms of age, so person3 should actually be before person2. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So what I'm going to do is just go here, and let's call this let sorted, and let's set this to people. Actually, I'm gonna make a space here just so you can see. So people dot sorted, and then here we need to, not that sorted, we need to use this. Why does it keep doing that? Okay, people dot sorted, and basically inside of here we're just going to be comparing $0 and $1, and basically what these stand for is $0. I've already talked about this. So when it loops through and sorts this array, $0 is going to be the item you're comparing, and $1 is going to be the item which it's being compared against. So for example, let's say you're building a sorting algorithm that you want to be sort these ages based from lowest to highest. So what you do is you just go through the array, keep going through, and find the lowest age every time, and then you add that to a new array, and then you delete it from that list, and keep repeating that until you have nothing left. So that's basically what we're doing here. The condition which you want here is going to be that same condition, so you just want to check if $0, which is going to be the item which you're checking, is lower than $1, and we also need to specify the key, so $1.age and anonymous closure argument. Let's see. Oh, I used the wrong brackets, that's why. Okay, and yeah, that should fix our issues. So basically what I'm checking here is if $0, which is going to be the item you're checking, is lower than $1 age, then we just want to find the lowest one, then it's going to add that to a new one, repeat, and just it simplifies this whole process down to this. So once we've done that, we can just print our sorted array, and we should actually get the keys in order now. So we have Aria, which age 100, person 3, age 150, and now we have person 2. So if we wanted it to be in the other way, so descending order, then we could do it age 0 is greater than $1.age, and here we're trying to find the largest one in the array and then add that first and repeat that way. So now it should be person 3, person 2, and then person 2, person 3, and then Aria. So you can see it's sorted by age, and you can also sort by name. I think it's going to sort alphabetically then. So I'm not actually too sure. I think it'll be person 3, person 2, and then Aria. So yeah, that's basically it. And this is how you can sort based on keys inside of here. So it could be a bit complicated to get your mind wrapped around this, but yeah, basically you just need to think about it like how you create a regular sorting algorithm, and then it just does the condition but here. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in a future tutorial. Bye.